At nala king South Korea, reng first batch ning 23 foreign seasonal workers ibat king Mabalacat City, bang magobra king Tebek City. Migbiyahe la reng Talapagobra ibat king Clark International Airport at dinog pala king Incheon International Airport ngening aldo. Mera pa ching deployment kay bat ning masusing coordination ng Mayor Jel Daquino king Department of Migrant Workers, bang milako ing mimiralaban king pamagparala kareng magobra king amanuang bansa. May kipagpirmahan mo namang Memorandum of Agreement o MOA ing LGU ning Mabalacat City at Tebek City bang siguraduhan na ligtas at masalese ing working conditions para kareng foreign seasonal workers. Lalam ning pamikasundo, makatanggap la reng Talapagobrang ustong proteksyon at benepisyo, kalupa ning disenteng toknangan, ustong sweldo at ligtas a working environment. Dinikdik ng Mayor Aquino ing matigik a pamagbawal ning nanumang unauthorized collection o salary deduction king sweldo dareng foreign seasonal workers. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutu, king Balen Susuy.